It feed the bunny bounce all around. Toys on the floor, not a clean spot found. Belle the Bear gave a friendly cheer. It's tidy up time, let's make it clear.